Hi, we are asked to solve the equation 2x squared plus 5x plus 97 in base 10 equal to 2. So we are asked to find the value of x. So we have the equation that this is log 2x squared plus 5x plus 97 all in base 10 equal to 2. Now recall that log 100 to base 10 is equal to 2. So at this point, we'll replace 2 with log 100 to base 10. So the equation becomes log 2x squared plus 5x plus 97 in base 10 equal to log 100 or in base 10. So since the bases are the same, which is base 10, the equation becomes 2x squared plus 5x plus 97 equal to 100. Now at this point, we can move 100 to the left-hand side. So we have that this is 2x squared plus 5x plus 97 minus 100 equal to 0. This can further be simplified to become 2x squared plus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Now at this point, we have a quadratic equation. So therefore, we look for two integers that their sum is equal to positive 5 and their product is equal to negative 6. So the two integers are negative 1 and positive 6. So therefore, the quadratic equation becomes 2x squared minus x plus 6x minus 3 equal to 0. So if we group terms and factorize, the equation becomes x, open your bracket, 2x minus 1 plus 3, open your bracket, 2x minus 1, close up the bracket, equal to 0. Now, if we factorize, we have that this is x plus 3 multiplied by 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So we know that if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, it is either that a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So therefore, x plus 3 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, we have it that this becomes x plus 3 equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So at this point, if we move 3 to the right-hand side, we have that x is equal to negative 3. Also, this becomes 2x equal to 1. So if we divide through by 2, we have this becomes divided by 2 and divided by 2. So 2 can cancel out 2. So we have it that x is equal to 1 divided by 2. Thus, the value of x is equal to negative 3 or 1 divided by 2. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Bye. I will see you in my next video.